Wow, it's turned around again for another month. Hi everybody, it's Kathy here and we are playing along with Mad About mini paper pads. I actually like this. It forces me to use up all those little mini pads that I have got thousands of. Now this one here is from a pad that I have no idea where it came from. Somebody gifted me these papers and I just thought with Easter it's perfect, so I'm going to use them up today. Now this one I use up quite a lot of these pieces here because I'm going to create a grid-like pattern. And I'm going to need lots of little squares. So the first squares that I'm cutting up are 2x2s, and they're going to be the basis of the grid. Then I need to cut up squares, and I'm just seeing what size, and I work out that I need 1.5 by 1.5. So I then have to go through and cut those up. And I'm not going to make you sit and watch me fold and pull them all together, but I'm just mixing and matching the double-sided patterns, as you can see here, so that the grid has complementary and opposing patterns. I love using the mini pads. They are very good at filling in layouts. They have just as many beautiful patterns as the full-size layouts, but the smaller patterns are a little bit more delicate at times, and I think that makes a nice contrast to the large bold patterns that we use with our 12x12s. So I am, as I said, cutting up 1.5 by 1.5 these little squares are, and I need 2 for each of these squares because I want to do like a folded out square type of thing happening. So like a kite design or like the squares are wrapped like Easter eggs. So I want lots of colour on the layout, and I just wanted something fun for the photo that I'm using on this layout. So I saw this sort of idea somewhere, and I just thought, now I think I'll give it a go for this layout, and it's perfect with mini pads. Now I just need one more contrast here, and I think I'm going to go with these diagonals on this one, the chevron pattern. And so there you can see I now have all different patterns complementing each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck those in, and I'm not putting those triangles flat, I'm leaving them up. And I went off screen and I did all the others so that you can see, and I started the process of putting them down in place, and I'm just showing you how easy it is to get them in place because I put down 2 strips of that tape and then just laid them up. That was the quickest and easiest way to do it. So there's my grid pattern, and look at that, doesn't that look amazing? I just love that effect. So many colours, so many designs. It's got a pop-up effect. It's 3-dimensional. I just love it. And so what I'm doing here is I'm just tucking in some ephemera, or actually these are printables that I have just cut out, and I am just going to use my blade to cut around this flower here because I want it to pop over the top so it sits like it's just sitting on top there. And then I'm going to add in these tickets, which are always a good addition on a layout. And I'm bulking up with these printed florals, which are pretty and complement the colours in the layout as well as the photo that you'll see very soon. Now, these is obviously an Easter layout, the first of many for this year, hopefully. So I've got plenty of Easter photos that need to be scrapped, I can tell you. So here we go. I'm going to go off screen and glue those all into place. I added in the Easter eggs down the bottom, and I have these stickers here from a Kaisercraft that I was going to say Easter Hat Parade. And there's a photo of myself with my 2 fellow deputies at school. Both of them are sharing the main job. My friend Renee on the left of me in the pink dress, she is the main deputy, but she's on maternity leave part-time, so there on the other side is sharing the job with her, and they are both fantastic ladies. They are so gifted as educational leaders. They are just amazing, so I'm so lucky to get to work with them. Now this day I had my Easter bunny dress on, which I deliberately bought because I love the Easter Hat Parade every year. And I have my top hat with my Easter bunny ears. Usually I have a pink one. This year I went with a black one, and that was because of my dress. And the Year 6 girls told me I was slaying it that day, so I thought that was a win. not very often I get a year 6 approval off the girls, and they said, "Miss, you're slaying it today." So that was a great thing. So it was really good. It was a lot of fun. I know, I'm mad. Everybody looked at me and was like, "Oh my gosh, she's got gummy rabbits on her dress," but that's okay. It was Easter parade. The kids like it. The parents like it. It's just a bit of fun. I only ever wear things like that on the days that are special, and that was one. So I've just put in a little bit of journaling down there telling the girls said I slayed it that day. I'm adding in some pops of colour here just to finish off these clusters so that I set up that visual triangle. And this is a fun, bright, happy layout. And I love how quick and easy it looks like it came together. The fussy part was just the cutting of those squares so that you could fold them and put them on the layout. Otherwise, it was a quick and simple layout. It's used up a lot of sheets. I think I used 8 sheets of 6 by 6 to create this layout. I love how this has turned out. It's very bright. It's very happy. I put in a little banner up there across the top of that corner. I did ink the edges of my paper with squeezed lemonade just to pop it up off that frame. And that's how that layout has come together. If you like what I've done, give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you want to see more of my content. It keeps me pushing out. I really do appreciate every single person that comes along and watches. You make my day every day when you leave me a comment. So don't forget to tell me what's your favourite Easter memory and how do you like to scrap. Happy scrapping, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Full playlist down below for everyone playing. Check everyone out. See you in the next one.